What's up, you guys? Welcome back to another video. So today we're going to be going back to the beginning of our journey with the 350Z. Now, a lot of you OG subscribers know that it's been there from the beginning of the channel. A lot of you guys subscribe to this channel because of the 350Z, and it's probably the longest car that I've owned in my entire career of owning cars. I've had that car for almost 7 years now, and it's kind of a bittersweet thing to let it go, but I'm looking forward to new things to come. But today we're going to be going over some of the beginnings of this channel and just showing you guys how much we've progressed and grown throughout the years. So a lot of it's going to be cringy, but it's going to be good to look back at the good times and the good people that we've met because of that car. So without further ado, let's roll on with the video. Alright, so first off, we want to take off the bumper. So to do that, it's pretty simple. In the fender here, there's a 10mm on the other side. If you haven't already taken off your bumper, there's probably going to be a splash shield on the bottom that you have to take off. It works. What's up, you guys? So in this episode, we're going to be painting the headlight housings on the stock 2004 350Z headlights. Working on the wiper delete. I'm just going to be taking off the windshield wiper itself. I'm not going to go ahead and take out the spray up on the top of the glass. Okay guys, right now I'm going to go ahead and try to do a tack weld on here. Alright guys, so I just finished welding in this patch. Now I already went ahead and ground down the ugly welds because I'm not a great welder at all. So I just got woken up by the doorbell and I went outside to go look what it was, and I got another package dropped off. I'll show you guys what that is in a second. Looks like. So it's going to be along the lines of something like this. Alright, so I don't know if you guys can tell, but I actually already filled in the gaps how I wanted it. It's almost finished. I just need to do a little bit more touches here, but I figured I'd wait till I mold this to the car to actually finalize everything. So right now, as you can see, I already got one rivet ready to go. I'm going to go ahead and put the rest of the rivet. Alright, what's up guys? So today we're going to be starting on the Fender Flares.
Stereophonic sound by the home is recorded on two separate tracks, each one giving to achieve a new dimension of sound impossible to obtain in a monaural recording.
Now that the car is all dry, we're going to go ahead and start masking off. Now I'm going to be using a combination of this painter's tape here as well as this pre-taped plastic here. Pretty good. It came out pretty even, but I did have a really big mistake here. The air hose got caught on the muffler tip, and then I stepped on this green extension cord here, and it actually pulled this whole entire light, and it pretty much fell onto the trunk. Alright, you guys, so this is the first time I put my car together, or like it's semi together. Nothing's really bolted on, but it looks so sick. I love it. What's up, you guys? So today we're at Sonoma, as you guys can tell. I love you. Okay guys, we're gonna go. So nervous. Ready for this?
I don't know.
Kind of have to. It's good, like. Oh, that was so good, you guys. Oh my gosh, I'm so excited.
I have to take my helmet off. I can't read right now.
We need bucket seats because you're going like this, but it's like the game. Guys, it's just like a set of Corsa. Alright, you guys, so we just passed tech. The guys here are super cool. Look at this. Drift Central. I don't know what the 2 means, but we're in there.
Can you get out, please?
There you go.
Babe, I don't have shoes on. Real, please.
Why didn't you? You have to follow the rules. I think this makes me a drifter. I actually popped a tire drifting, guys. It's so smooth. Babe, I'm a drifter now. I popped the tire drifting because I'm so hardcore. Alright, you guys, welcome back to another video. So today is gonna be drift day number 3 for us, or just for me today.
Why that is so slow? He's not going slow. Who goes fast? He liked the whole thing on his first try.
The angle helps a lot.
Huh?
The angle helps a lot. I connected like the whole thing.
For real? Yeah, I saw you.
Oh. What the heck? What? I'm going again.
Yeah, go, go, go.
Nice wheels, bro.
Appreciate it. Big fan of all you guys, bro. Appreciate it. Should've just stopped. Frick. Camera on, bro. Oh yeah.
Yeah, guys, it was almost there. The tires are beaten. Damn. Oh. What the heck? Nothing ever goes wrong.
Like an hour and a half away from home, too. Oh my gosh, guys. So today is such an eventful day. So the car defeated now. We're about an hour and a half away from home. The tire defeated. Add that to one of the setbacks today. But all in all, still a good day.
Yeah.
Alright guys, so this is what the wing looks like. I think it looks freaking sick. Car's still dirty. I'm probably gonna wash it. Oh!
That means you're extra.
I love it. Oh yeah. Let's go ahead and try it right now. So yeah, look at how low the bumper sits. This thing is like an inch off the ground.
Oh my gosh. I messed up his whole flares. I'm sorry.
They ask you how you are, and you just have to say that you're fine when you're not really fine, but you just can't get into it because they would never understand.
How bad it is.
It's part of drifting. Everybody watching is like, what the heck? I don't even see whether this works. Hey! Babe! Throw it over the wall! Throw it over the wall! Oh my god. Remember when I was talking about like Christy's the only one that damages the car? This is what I'm talking about.
Oh, is the other piece of the exhaust out there then? Should I try again?
One more time. Yeah, you gotta start jiffy your car. Yeah.
Yeah.
And now back to your regularly scheduled program.
So that's pretty much gonna sum it up for this video, guys. Thank you guys so much for watching. If you guys stuck around to the very end, I just want to say thank you for supporting what me and Christine are doing here on the channel. I went ahead and compiled all the old videos and put them on a playlist on the channel. There's over 100 videos on the channel. So I just want to say thank you guys for supporting what me and Christine are doing here. You guys are the only reason why we are still doing it to this very day. I know the Z has been here from the beginning, so it's gonna be such a bittersweet thing to let it go, but I already know that there's better things to come. If you guys haven't already, make sure you guys go ahead and subscribe, hit the like button, and drop a comment and let me know what you guys' favorite memory is of the Z. And yeah, we'll catch you guys in the next one. All right, peace out and stay good.
Remember, don't hesitate to call on me for anything. Like you said, a human being, I'm going to make you take that chance. Things have been different for me ever since I met Hildy. I've never met anyone quite like her before.